Hi, everyone. I'm here today with Austin Hardware and Supply President, Mr. Bill Stanball, and we're going to talk to you about lanyards. Bill, can you talk to us about some of the normal applications for lanyards?
Lanyards, they've been around for a long time. Not very glamorous, but very functional. They can be used as shelf supports. They can be used to captively retain virtually anything you want. You could put a snap hook on the end of a lanyard and retain a clipboard or a piece of equipment. They're also really functional. Probably the best application I can think of for a lanyard is on a drop-down door. That is a door that is horizontally hinged at the bottom, where a customer would use a dampening gas spring on that drop-down door to control the downward speed and motion of the door. And then just before the gas spring bottoms out and reaches its full stroke, you have the lanyard become snug, and it keeps the gas spring from reaching the full stroke. However, the gas spring still controlled all the downward motion of the door. And now you have a working surface that the lanyard can control, and the lanyard can take the weight of a human leaning on it, or it becoming a work surface, or anything like that. So that's a great application for a lanyard.
What options would somebody have in evaluating or considering or evaluating when specifying lanyards? What options would they have?
Well, you have to think through what the end fittings need to look like. So how do you plan on securing the lanyard to the two ends that it takes up? So end fittings. Length is another one. The example I used of the drop-down door, length is critical. You have to have the length exactly right. Coated or sleeved. Some people like a lanyard that has a permanent coating on it, like a plastic covering. Other people, I'm not sure what the product is called, but it's like a fluted tube that can go over chain. You have materials, stainless, steel, nylon, web type products. And then you have to think through your fastener. Do you want to pop rivet? Do you want to screw it in? Do you want to bolt it in? So there's a variety of different things that you have to evaluate.
Please check out our lanyard section on our website at www.austinhardware.com, as well as many innovative products and solutions. And once again, Bill, thank you for speaking with us today. Thank you for joining us.
All right. Thanks, Jay, for your time.